If you are tired of basic wings, you are in the right place. Today we are making the absolute best honey glazed wings you ever had. The secret is zesty high gloss glaze that is a total game changer. Before we get into the glaze, we have to build the base. We are using a savory green pepper seasoning. It is perfect earthy contrast to the sweet and tangy finish we're about to create. I marinated my chicken wings overnight. You want to make sure they marinate for at least 2 hours before baking them at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. Now for the glaze, I'm using my lemon oil, which I have the recipe on the blog by the way, and I'm adding some lemon juice, honey, and salt and pepper to taste. It's very simple. You put all of them together and then you whisk them. And next, what you would do is just drizzle that on top of your chicken wings. Guys, I'm telling you, it's such a game changer. My family loves it. They've been asking me to make it like 3 times a week at least. You don't want them to be too soggy. You just want them to have enough of the juice inside the chicken. And I'm telling you, it's perfect. It's juicy. It's so scrumptious. This is another example that you don't need 20 ingredients to build such delicious flavor. You just have to know how to harmonize all those flavors together. Look at it. They are sweet, tangy, and perfectly balanced. Grab the full recipe at thebluefufu.com. And if you have liked this recipe, please leave a comment, like, or subscribe, and share with me. What is your favorite chicken wings recipe? I will see you on the next one. Bye.